Chapter 7. This chapter will give you an overview about application software. Application software is a subclass of computer software that employs the capabilities of a computer directly to a task that the user wishes to perform. This should be contrasted with system software, which is involved in managing a computer's various capabilities, but typically do not provide software that benefits tasks of users. The term application refers to both the application software and its implementation. This chapter introduces some typical examples of application software, namely word processors, spreadsheets, presentation graphics software, database management systems, email packages, and web browsers. You will be able to acquire knowledge about the customized and off-the-shelf application packages. Application software. Application software is a kind of computer software that employs the capabilities of a computer directly to a task the user wishes to perform. This should be contrasted with systems software, which is involved in managing the computer's various capabilities. Refer to Chapter 6. Basically speaking, application software sits on top of systems software because it is unable to run without the operating system and system utilities. However, application software also provide multiple applications, which is bundled together as a package and which are sometimes referred to as an application suite. Examples are Microsoft Office and OpenOffice.org, which bundle together a word processor, a spreadsheet, and several other discrete applications. The separate applications in a suite usually have user interfaces that have some commonality, making it easier for the user to learn and use each application. Often, they may have some capability to interact with each other in ways beneficial to the user. For example, a spreadsheet might be embedded in a word processor document, even though it had been created in the separate spreadsheet application. There are two main types of application software. General-purpose application software, which holds tasks such as word processing, spreadsheets, databases, graphics, and integrated programs. Special-purpose application software, which handles the specific needs of a particular profession or business. For example, a company might use special-purpose application software, such as a payroll system, to prepare payslips for its employees. Word processing. Word processing is the creation of documents using a word processor. A word processor is a computer application used for preparing documents for viewing and printing purposes. A word processor helps the user in writing, modifying, formatting, and printing of text. The earliest versions of word processing applications solely focused on simple text processing tools, but with the advancements made in the field of desktop publishing, it is very difficult to distinguish between word processing and desktop publishing. The latest word processors provide tools to create and insert drawings anywhere in the document. Typical features allow users to draw lines, rectangles, circles, and arrowheads, and many other auto shapes. Word processors are approaching the formatting power of full-featured desktop publishing applications. The formatted page can be viewed on the computer screen exactly as it will be printed. Formatting enables users to define the appearance of the elements in a document, such as the font and type size of all headings and text, the left, right, top, and bottom margins of each page, and the space before and after sentences and paragraphs. Some of the features of a word processor are annotation. This feature enables the users to add comments in certain sections of the document. It enhances the edit and review process of the documents. The owner sends the document to the reviewers who review it and, in the process, add annotations. They send it back to the owner, who can now make the required changes. The annotations can also be in the audio format. Background. This feature allows the user to define the background layout for the document, borders, and shading. This feature allows the user to define borders for the page, paragraph, or sentence according to his or her requirement, bullets, and numbering. Using this feature, the user can enable automatic numbering, or bulleting a set of sentences. Font case. This feature allows the user to change the case of the selected text. The user can change the selected text to either uppercase, lowercase, sentence case, title case, toggle case. Font specification. This feature helps the user to change the font specifications of portions of text within the document. The user can specify the appearance of the font, like bold, font size, and font typeface. Graphics. This feature enables the user to embed pictures from files, and clip arts and graphs from spreadsheets, headers, and page numbering. This feature enables the users to place text that will appear on all pages. Any text placed in a header or footer will automatically repeat itself when a new page is added to that document. The word processor allows the automatic numbering of pages. Language translation. This feature enables users to translate text from one language to another. Letter assistant. Most word processors assist the users in creating letters through the use of standard templates. Many more features are provided, such as mail merge, spelling and grammar, speech recognition, print preview, text alignment, etc. Spreadsheets. Spreadsheet applications are computer programs that allow the creation and manipulation of spreadsheets electronically. A spreadsheet program can be used to perform calculations, analyze, and present data. Spreadsheet programs include tools for organizing, managing, sorting, and retrieving data, and testing what-if statements. A spreadsheet cell may alternatively contain a formula that defines how the contents of that cell is to be calculated from the contents of any other cell, or combination of cells each time any cell is updated. Spreadsheets are frequently used for financial information because of their ability to recalculate the entire sheet automatically after a change to a single cell is made. Overview of a spreadsheet. The worksheet area of the spreadsheet has letters for column headings across the top ranging from A through Z. Furthermore, it has numbers for row headings down on the left side ranging from 1 to 65,536. Both values and letters can be entered in the cells. The intersection of a row heading and a column heading is known as a cell. The cell can hold a single unit of information, and its position in the worksheet area is called a cell address. The cell address is denoted by its column and row position. For example, the C8 as shown in the figure. While working with the spreadsheet, the cell pointer points to the cell where data is to be changed or entered. The selected cell is known as the active cell, and the data entry bar shows the data as it is being entered in the cell. The cell pointer can be moved using the tab, arrow keys, or the mouse, in the same way as in a word processor. The basic features